Hi, today we're talking about client consultation tracker. So any client consultations that you're doing, you can keep track of that with utilizing this particular template. So as you can see, we have got a database at the bottom which has the client name, the consultation date, the consultant, service type, and all the fields that you would typically track in a client consultation tracker. But utilizing this database, we have created summarized views on the top. First is upcoming consultation. So this shows any consultations which are scheduled in the future. So if any consultation day is on or before today, so okay, let me change it to on or after today. This should be on or after today. Uh, is on or after today, then it will automatically show in this upcoming consultation, and the status must be scheduled as well. Okay, so as you can see from the database at the bottom, so if consultation date is like June 5, so it is visible over here as per that particular requirement. So if you see the calendar, it is showing by the consultation date. Okay, so on June 3 we have a particular consultation, and on June 5 also we have a particular consultation, but this status is not scheduled. So if you change the status to scheduled over here, it will also reflect over here in this particular calendar. Okay, so I'm just reverting it back. After this, we have the pending payments. So if any payments are not paid or are under the unpaid status, you can track it over here. So from the pending for the payment side, if you check, it is unpaid. Okay. So let me put it this one as unpaid as well, and you can see it is showing one more unpaid over here. Okay. Then we have by consultants, all the consultations, if you are categorizing as the different consultants who are working, it is visible over here. So we have consultation date, the email, the name of the person to whom we are going to consult, and all the fields available reflected over here. So these are the ways you can utilize this consultation tracker to keep track of all the consultation requests. You can obviously make changes and modifications with whatever requirements you would have. Okay. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, Online PDF Generator. This helps you generate invoice PDF documents in bulk. For this, it utilizes a Notion database. Okay, so if you see this Online PDF Generator, we have a very simple invoice template where you can add in your logo over here and fill in all the details of this field and switch to single PDF mode and click on download. Okay, and it will automatically generate this invoice which looks very nice and clean and crisp for your purpose. You obviously have an option to generate invoices under multiple PDF. Under multiple PDF, you can download a Notion database. So click on this download link. You have this database available. Fill in this database one by one with all the details and link it up over here using the API key. And then click on fetch invoices and download. So it will download all the invoices in one go as you provide it. Okay. For this, I've created a demonstration under how to use. Watch this entire video and you can understand how to exactly do that. But this is a very handy tool which can generate bulk invoices utilizing a Notion database as well as single invoices if you want to do that. Okay. If you have any questions, I'm available at this contact section. Go to the contact section and send me a message, and I'll be happy to take up any of your issues. Or you can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can take up any queries or any specific request for the template. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.